Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and this video is based on checking a variable has stored a numerical value or alphabetical value. So we are going to check its nature, right? So let's start right now. So for example, we have a variable v1 and store a value, a string, this is me. Okay, now I want to check it with the help of program in Python. So if v1 is digits or is numeric, if v1 is numeric, print the value stored in v1 is numeric, else print the value stored in v1 is alphabetic. Okay, I forget value. Okay, so this program will show the nature of the content stored in v1, right? So let's start and run it. Okay, so the message is print the value you store is in v1 is alphabetic. Why? Because we store alphabetic values. If I store 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it will print the first statement because we put the numeric value. Okay, look at there, the value stored in v1 is numeric. Very simple, and that's very cool. So that's enough for now, and see you in the next video with the new programs.